How to share an Etoro post to Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share a post in the news feed of Etoro to Twitter directly. So first thing we do, we go to Etoro, and now this is the home page and this is the news feed. If you want to share a post to Twitter directly, you need first to choose a post. Okay, I'm gonna choose this post here, click on share button right here, and then click on Twitter, and it will be shared to your Twitter directly. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.